Today we are going to unbox an Instant Pot. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're having a great day. Today we get to unbox this Instant Pot, and this is a gift from Paulus in Indonesia. So Paulus, I just want to say thank you so much for thinking of us and sending this to us. All right, so let's unbox it. Okay, so let's take a look at it. It has a really nice handle, and the box is really sturdy. Has some examples here on the top of different things you can cook in it. And right here, we can see that it is the Mini, the Luxe Mini 6-in-1 multi-use. And this is the 3-quart Instant Pot. So let's see, on this side, we also have some descriptions of what is inside the box. And right here, we have a 12-month warranty. All right, let's open it. It has this nice little pull out here. This has all of the contents that are in the box. Looks like this is the instructions. Let's go ahead and open this up. We've got the user's manual. Let me thumb through it here for you. Some instructions on how to use it. Also have a recipe book. This says this is the 4th edition. Let's check out the recipe book just a little bit closer. We've got New England clam chowder. That looks really good. We've got red lentil chili. That also looks really delicious. Oh, you know we love cilantro in this family. This is a cilantro lime chicken taco salad. Perfect rice, you guys. 3 different types of rice. Basmati rice, jasmine rice, and brown rice. 3 different types of perfect rice. We'll definitely try that one out. Lots of different recipes for potatoes, Brussels sprouts, if you like Brussels sprouts. I really like Brussels sprouts. Ooh, coconut fish curry. That sounds really good. Have to try that one out. And then there's lots of desserts in here, you guys. We've got cheesecake. You can make cheesecake in an Instant Pot. Raspberry cheesecake. Huh, who knew? How do you make cheesecake in an Instant Pot? I don't know, we're gonna find out. This is a quick reference guide, and it looks like it might be in 2 different languages, English and Spanish. Here we've got some spoons, it looks like. Let's take a look at this. Wrapped in plastic. Wow, what is all this? We have 2 different types of spoons, kind of like a ladle, and then this one maybe looks like a rice spoon. We have a measuring cup, so 160 milliliters, and then also 3/4 cup. And then there's this part, and this looks like to me what would be on a rice cooker for collecting the moisture, but we'll find out later. Now let's pull the styrofoam off. All right, let's take out the Instant Pot. Box is empty, just a little styrofoam bottom piece. So we'll set the box aside. And the Instant Pot is wrapped in plastic, so let's take the plastic off. If you guys want to pick up an Instant Pot for yourself, there's a link in the description of this video, so you can go check that out. Has a warning label on it. This is where the hot steam comes out. So it has a venting on and off setting here. On the front, you have all your different settings. You have your on and off, rice, porridge, steam, slow cook, soup and broth, meat, stew, egg, and sauté. And then the different settings for pressure cooking, delay starting, all of that. And then we'll open it up. Take off the lid. This is what the inside of the lid looks like. It has rubber here. This looks like a little rack to set your pots and stuff on the inside of your Instant Pot. Cool. So this is the Instant Pot here. It says Instant Pot on there. And then we have On the inside, it has written 2/3 and half, so I don't really know all that is supposed to be done with that, but that's pretty cool. And another warning. And that's it. That's what's on the inside here. So we'll put the pot back in, and then the little rack goes on like that, so you can set something inside without being on the bottom of your bowl. And then you put the lid back on. Let's see how we do it. I think it goes like this. Put it on and slide it closed like that. This little piece that I thought was for like on a rice cooker, it goes on the back side here of the Instant Pot, and it just slides like that. No, it doesn't clip or anything, so be careful. It just slides right like that to collect the moisture. And that's on the back side of the Instant Pot. Tell me in the comments what kind of recipes you guys would like to see us make in an Instant Pot. Thank you guys for subscribing. We hope you have a great day and keep smiling.